Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. Ginger, of course, welcome back. So a couple of videos ago, I shared that my hair was in shambles, okay? Breakage galore, shedding galore. And my hair is so, oh my God. It's so dry. It's so matted. I have knots everywhere. Look at that. I'm already struggling. My hair was super dry and it's all my fault. You know, sometimes you have to take accountability for your actions. I have been ignoring my hair and she was mad at me. Since then, though, we have been on a weekly washing routine and things are better, I must say. I actually washed my hair today, so I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. And if I may just say so myself, she's looking good. This is a wash and go, ladies and gentlemen, but I did use some new products and also use some products a little bit differently. So we're going to get into that a little bit later in this video. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video, because you don't want to miss this quality content. Also follow me on Instagram where I post about more beauty, hair care, self-care, self-development, just more of me in a different way. So if that sounds like your thing, then follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's get into yet another wash day video. My hair is about a week old here, and although she looks really dry, she's actually not that bad. She feels pretty good under my fingers, but we don't play that. We've been consistently washing our hair, so we are going to hop right into the shower and start the wash day process. First thing first, of course, is to thoroughly wet your hair. So I'm actually going to spend some time doing that. As the water runs through my hair, I am going to take the time to start detangling as well. Just gently separating my hair. Nothing too major at this point, but I am thinking ahead, so I'm going to get things started. And when I tell you I'm taking my time to wet my hair, I mean that, okay? I'm really taking my time to let the water run through my hair because I've been focusing on hydrating my strands, like I've been saying, consistently washing and hydrating my hair, and water is key. Once I'm satisfied with that, we are moving on with the shampoo. Today I'm using AG Balance, and I am... First of all, why do I have this random bobby pin in my hair? Why? So I'm using AG Balance, and I'm going to make sure to thoroughly shampoo my hair as well as my scalp. AG Balance is an apple cider sulfate-free shampoo. It's formulated with over 98% plant-based and naturally derived ingredients. It also has argan oil, aloe vera, which helps smooth and moisturize your hair. I personally really like the smell of this shampoo. It has this aromatherapy smell with rosemary, lavender, lemongrass. Smells very relaxing. And it's perfect for color treated hair, so don't mind if I do. I went ahead and washed my hair twice, and then moving on to the conditioner. We're going with AG Boost. I've been using these products for a while now, and you guys know AG Boost is just so nice and creamy. It's also formulated with 98% plant-based and naturally derived ingredients. AG Boost actually has coconut oil, mango seed butter, rosehip oil, shea butter, hydrolyzed quinoa, as well as apple cider vinegar that's going to help smooth your hair cuticle and seal in moisture. It also has this great rosemary, lemongrass, aromatherapy scent, which I personally enjoy. And it is vegan, silicone-free, nourishes, and really helps detangle your hair. Speaking of detangling, I'm going to use my fingers to gently start the detangling process. Personally, I really like using my fingers first before going in with a comb. It just makes the whole process easier, and I just feel like I'm being a lot gentler on my strands versus ripping through my hair with a comb. That's just personal preference. Of course, do what you want, but I like to make sure that I start the detangling process with my fingers. Once I'm done with my fingers, I move in with my brush, and the one that I'm using is Brush with the Best. It's the one by Felicia Leatherwood, and I have been using it for a while and really like it. You can see how creamy the conditioner has gotten. Look at my hands. It's just, I really enjoy it. It melts in your hair and it gets so creamy. Another thing that I've been doing to really make sure that I get a lot of water in my hair when I'm detangling, if it's getting a little difficult, I actually dip my hair under the water, and that really melts away the tangles. You really need to try this, y'all. If you detangle in the shower and you find it a little difficult, just put your hair under the water and let the water help you out, okay? The conditioner gets a lot creamier as well. Your tangles melt away. You're able to brush your hair. Everything is good. Everyone's happy. Showing you my little hairball, not a lot. And I'm going to rinse that out. So typically I apply my stylers, at least I start to apply my stylers in the shower. However, I'm using a new product today and it says to apply on damp hair. So I'm going to follow directions. I'm going in with a little bit of leave-in conditioner first, and then we're going with the Earth Tone Natural Curl Enhancing Jelly. So it says to apply on damp hair, so I went ahead and did that. And I really make sure to work the product through my hair first, and then I'm moving in with the Nairobi foam. This is my second time using this product, and the first time I used it entirely wrong. And I'll talk about it a little bit later in the video. But I'm using it as a topper gel, just raking and shingling it through my hair, and I actually quite enjoyed it. I do have a few videos on my channel about wash and goes. At this point, y'all might as well call me the wash and go queen. Isn't it crazy how I want to say up until last year, I did like 2 wash and goes in my entire life. Now we're doing wash and goes back to back to back. Make it make sense. I don't know. But anyways, all I'm doing is putting the Earth Tone jelly all over my hair first. And I actually really like the jelly because if you've used Uncle Funky's, and Uncle Funky has this tendency to make your hair feel like Velcro. Like it's really hard to rake your fingers through your hair once you use Uncle Funky. The ones that get it. Uncle Funky can be a little hard to work with. Earth Tone Naturals though is completely different. The jelly is very easy to work with. It doesn't make your hair feel tangly like the Uncle Funky does. And the ingredients are pretty good. It has water, aloe vera, as well as glycerin in there. So it really keeps your hair nice and moisturized. Lots of good humectants. It says that it's supposed to give you firm hold. I don't find that to be the case with my hair. I don't know what it is with my hair. Maybe my hair needs extra hold, but most products really don't give my hair a ton of hold unless it's like crazy hold. After using the jelly, I followed up with the foam and raked that all over my hair. It's very similar to Most Def in terms of consistency and feel, although Most Def has a lot more slip than the Nairobi does. I still got great definition, and I really enjoyed this wash day. I like not being in the shower and having to deal with a lot of water on my floor because I'm using the products on damp hair versus soaking wet hair. So overall, it went very well.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we got this look. My hair is feeling so much better. It's crazy how going from not being consistent to consistent can really change your whole look. My hair is feeling really nice. She's not 100% dry yet. Right back there, I do have a little bit of moisture, but I'm okay with that. My hair ended up drying extremely fast under the dryer. I only sat there for about 30 minutes because I had things to do. I only sat in the dryer for 30 minutes, and I'm very pleased with how dry my hair got so quickly. I'm pretty sure it has everything to do with the foam. The foam itself, I don't know how I feel about it. The first time that I used it entirely the wrong way, and she still came through, I must say. And someone actually told me on Instagram that, you know, they use it as a topper gel. So I tried it today. It definitely has a lot more hold. A lot more holds. I mean, my hair right here is completely separated and has a ton of hold, which is great if that's what you're looking for. I don't mind the hold, and I actually think my hair turned out really well. So if you have that foam in your area versus Most Def, then you could, I wouldn't say substitute, but they are almost the same. Most Def definitely has a lot more slip. The thing that really puts me off about the Nairobi foam, I have to say, this is what it is. The thing that really puts me off, I haven't looked at the ingredients, so I need to do that. But what puts me off is the labeling in the back. So the first thing it tells you is after you've used a relaxer in your hair, then go ahead and use the foam to set your hair, yada yada. Just the part that says the relaxer, I realize it's a bit of a trigger for me, okay? Any products that promote or mention the word relaxer, I realize is a bit of a trigger. It is. My entire life, you know, we were told to relax our hair, change it, straighten it. And although there's nothing wrong with that, if that's what you choose to do, I just don't like seeing it in the back of a product, especially since I'm not even relaxed and I'm using it. Was it meant for relaxed hair? I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know what it is. I need to sit with myself and think a little bit more as to why it triggers me so much, but I really don't like the fact that it says to use after you've relaxed your hair. I'll actually insert a footage of when I used it the wrong way and it still ended up really nicely. So if you have it in your area, especially if you're in Canada, it may be an alternative to Most Def. Although I haven't looked at the ingredients, so you know, do what you will with that information. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I don't have a question of the day today. Ooh. Okay, I can't think of one, but leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing. How about that? Question of the day, how are you? Ooh, that's a loaded one, huh? You know, last time I asked that question, it was about what's going on with your hair. And someone left a detailed comment and she said, oh, it felt so freeing just admitting that she hasn't been taking care of her hair. And it's a safe space, of course. I wasn't taking care of my hair either, girl. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to see all of my videos early, then check out my Patreon. Shout out to all these lovely people who signed up and are supporting the channel through Patreon. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.